Hello there! Congratulations on getting a new Cypherock X1. In this video, we will be unboxing the Cypherock X1 and I'll be explaining about everything that you receive in the box and how you can be rest assured that the product you have received is authentic and untampered. So let's get started. So what is in the box? X1 Vault, 4 X1 cards, Type A to Type C cable, Type C adapter, 4 RFID sleeves, stickers, user manual and a warranty card. The Cypherock X1 Vault. It also employs a dual-chip architecture. X1 Vault never stores a complete seed phrase to your wallet. The Cypherock X1 incorporates a trusted display on the X1 Vault, which allows user to visually verify all the transaction information. In the Cypherock X1, the display is directly connected to the MCU, which is piloted by a secure element, and the code is open source and reproducible, providing full transparency regarding transaction details and security. You get a 5-way joystick for smooth navigation on the screen, and with the USB-C support, you get seamless communication with your PC. You get 4 X1 cards, which are NFC-based smart cards with EAL6+ secure elements, which simply means that they have the exact same secure hardware as that of your bank's credit card. These X1 cards communicate with the X1 Vault through NFC in a fully end-to-end encrypted way. It supports at least 5 lakh plus taps on your X1 Vault and retains your secure data for at least 20 years. You get 4 RFID sleeves for your 4 X1 cards to prevent any kind of unauthorized scanning of these cards. The material of these sleeves prevent any kind of electronic signal from passing through. Therefore, we recommend you to always keep your cards in the RFID sleeves. Next, you get this USB Type A to Type C cable for connecting your X1 Vault with your PC. You also get a Type A female to Type C male adapter to connect your X1 Vault with devices which don't have a Type A port. Make sure that to connect the adapter side to your laptop or PC and the other side to the X1 Vault. As accessories, you get some stickers, you get a user manual with the basic details of the Cypherock X1 and a warranty card which has all the details about our warranty policies and claim process. You will also find our replacement policies and replacement process if needed in the warranty card. So this was the unboxing of the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. Congratulations, you have taken a smart decision to keep your crypto assets safe. By choosing the Cypherock X1, you have chosen the best security for your crypto assets and peace of mind for yourself. Check out this playlist for all the tutorials you need to become a pro at using the Cypherock X1. You can start with the onboarding video to get started with using the Cypherock X1. See you in that video.